Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Right, so for all you intraday traders and you short-term traders, I've got some pretty decent setups coming for you right now. We can quite easily gain 30, 40, maybe even 50% per trade. I'm gonna just let you explore the minds of how I do my daily intraday trading and how this can really help you to become a more of a consistent trader. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all of these lines and whatnot and drawings. Let's start off with a naked chart. Firstly, what do we see? Currently what we're seeing right now is, let's get the arrow. Guys, also apologies for the noise in the background. It's just too noisy in my area, so I'll go no choice in a minute until I get an office or moving out. I'm moving out first, so hopefully it'll be like a lot more secluded and easier area for me to do my videos. But anyway, I won't go too much about my personal life. But around about this level here, as soon as we break here, our first target should be up there. Reason why? Because it vision this area here like a box. And what I mean by that is, if I pull out the rectangular box, this is the area where we've been going sideways for quite a few, well, for several days now. And then once we do eventually break out from this level, which it looks like we are, we just need to wait to see either a breakup, which we are seeing that right now. If the next candle closes above this level here, that means we've got a good reason for cause of entering this trade there, because we should be heading at least around about here to this area, maybe even there, because we have more liquidity in this zone. And if, say for example, we do hit around about this region there, that could be quite an easy 10% trade, maybe even more. Let's bring out the measuring tool. So from here to there is about 8% move, but ultimately we would want to be targeting this area up here. So that means that will give us a nice 37% move to the upside from this level to about there. So basically you could just enter now, for instance, and just hold this position till we get up there. You don't even need much leverage, guys. Look at that, it's only 37% move to the upside. So that means if you were to just 2x leverage this or 2x margin trade this, that will give you easily 74% in profit. So if you put in $100, that will give you $74. If you put in $1,000, guys, you get the gist. This is quite simply small trade, but then again, if you do consistently daily trades, you could be winning like anywhere between 4, 5, 10% per trade, maybe even 30, 40, 50% per trade. Do that on a regular basis, guys, and you can easily multiply your account size to a much larger trading account. Now I'm checking out Pepe 2 for this one. Let's move over to Pepe. Bear in mind, guys, you can actually trade going long and short, but all right, let's look at the, I won't say but look, let's look at the yeah, Pepe is looking like we are still ranging bound in this level here. So I'm gonna probably stay out from this, stay out from this trade only until I see that we have broken up above this level here. I'll be looking for that trade over there. If we break below, guys, my target would be down there. Either way, it's going to be a pretty decent size, because break up from here to the upside, that will give us around about 33%, and break to the downside, it would give us a little bit more of around about, well, actually quite equal, 34%. So right now I'm not trading this, I'm just gonna wait until I see a breakout from the areas. Let's head over to book of meme. Oh, come on. Okay, so book of meme. Yep, guys, I'm staying out of this one. This is probably good for hodling and wait until we break up to much more higher levels. So for intraday traders, could possibly wait for retest in this level here, but I just don't like the setup, so I'm gonna just avoid that completely. For Bonk, I am currently in a trade on Bonk. So for my trade is quite essentially, I've entered in this level here. Let me just quickly show you. I've entered around about this level there. I'm going to drag this, and my entry level was right up here actually. Reason why, because if we look to our left, we were ranging here before we actually went up. Since we came back down, we haven't quite retested. Well, actually, yeah, we retested somewhat close to the bottom, but I just want to place the trade anywhere here for the retest from this big move to the upside. We went up, and eventually we're going to come back down. We did come back down, not quite to my target right there, so I've entered the second we wicked into this area down here. So currently I am up on my trade, but I'm not gonna take out any profit for this one until we hit my profit target, and my profit target, or my ideal profit target, is actually right here. I did put it slightly higher, but I'm taking into consideration that if we do continue, then this would be the area that I want to take a profit. But nah, forget that. I want to try to get like decent wins and more consistent basis. So I'm looking at 73% move for this one. Let's head over to Cheers. Cheers is looking pretty decent as well. With Cheers, it looks like we are finally starting to awaken, which is good. But as long as we hold this level and break above here, I could be looking for possible trades. So for this one, I'm staying out right now. If we come back down to this level, I'll be looking to re-enter. So that's just a quick analysis on Cheese token, and the market cap is just below 1 million. Guys, we can make bag loads of cash with this one when the bull season kicks in. We can easily see 100x coming in for Cheers token. The book of Slur is looking really tender looking, finger licking juicy, because going into the chart right now, I'm actually in this trade as well. And for this one, guys, it looks like I should be able to see a massive move. Oh, sorry guys, massive move to the upside for this one, and I'll show you why. Oh right, look at this, guys. This is quite sick. If you checked out my last video, I did enter upon around about here, because sorry about the noise again. Because the second we break up, either we're going to explode straight to the top, or we might go up and come back down to retest this level for continuation to the upside. And most importantly, guys, we are seeing higher highs. We went all the way, came crashing all the way back down. We've done this, and then we formed another like a long sideways action, but this level here now is effectively higher than this level. Essentially what that means is, because we're broken up for this level, we've gone up, we came back down to retest, it should give me a stronger confidence that we are going to continue to go up. So I'm going to add a little bit more to my bags in this level right here, and then once we do break up from this level or retest level and go back up, that would be a humongous trade for myself. Because guys, check this out, the percentage I should be looking for, or returns in trade should I be looking for in this one here, I should be expecting to receive the gains of around about 118% move to the upside. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you do like this short, quick content of multiple coins. You let me know that in the comments. And look at that, guys, the book of Slur is only 62,000 market cap, so we can see a lot more coming in for it, and the total supply is only 100 million. Guys, I'm gonna leave it there. If you want a link for any of these tokens, especially Book of Slurf, let me know. I'll leave it anyway in the info section. Otherwise, guys, if you'd like to learn how to trade the way that I do, it's quite simple. You have two options. You can get straight to my Total Crypto 23 trading coach, where I can teach you exactly, but I'll do it in the most simplest way possible. You only need 1 hour face-to-face with me and some updates, and use me as a mentorship. Ask me questions when you're stuck in trade, or if you've got questions about what you've learned, so I can continue doing so. I might even give you a second like a video Skype call, whether it's Skype, Zoom, Google Meet, up to you guys. I'm quite flexible. I do have all three platforms. Otherwise, if you want to skip this process here by paying £17 per month and you just want to trade calls, guys, you can get these sort of calls like this, for instance, or like here, for instance, or even something like cheers. But simply, guys, all you got to do is select and join my trade calls, and that way you only pay £8.50 per month, or even £10, depending where you are from. So $10, depending where you are from around the world. If you find this interesting and useful, guys, then do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated with all my latest content and videos. And if you haven't done so already, guys, you could subscribe to me right over here. And if you checked out my last 2 videos, check them out here and there. Then I will see you all in the next one.